What's up, everybody? Michael Gardiner here, founder of B2B Outbound, your choice for prospecting training, and DFY Meetings, your choice for fully managed prospecting campaigns. And in today's video, we're going to be diving into my Twitter inbox and reviewing some DMs I've gotten. I recorded a video a while back showing how I get clients through Twitter DMs, and it did pretty good. So I thought it'd be fun to look at some of the DMs I receive, rate them, review them, and talk about what I would change, what I would do better, or maybe some things that I didn't consider even, and I can use these DMs as reference for my future campaigns. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Drop it.
I've broken them down by category of service offered. I base this off the profile. In this video, I'm not going to rate the profile, only going to rate the actual message. We have social media growth, lead scraping, a marketplace, and social media prospecting services. Now, the first one was social media growth. So the message here is, hey, Michael, my name is, I always change the names. I don't want to call anybody out. My name is John Doe. I'm a beginner ghostwriter. Can I have 5 minutes of your time? Is there anything you always wanted to do in business but didn't have the time? So let's go ahead and tear this down really quick. My name is John Doe. It's okay to get right into, hey, my name is. Sometimes I do this, but in general, you want to try to focus on the prospect first. But again, I do this sometimes too in Twitter, be a little bit more direct, but it depends. I'm a beginner ghostwriter. Right away, I would probably not mention the fact you're a beginner. There's not really any benefit to mentioning it. If you were reaching out to me for consulting or something, say you're a beginner, yeah, it provides context, but selling me something probably doesn't make sense. Can I have 5 minutes of your time? Immediately I'm thinking, no, what do you want my time for? There's no context. What am I going to get out of it? And also I know it's not 5 minutes and I don't have any time. Is there anything you always wanted to do in business but didn't have a time to? This seems to conflict with can I have 5 minutes of your time? Is there anything you don't have time to? Yeah, I don't have time to take calls because I'm working and taking sales calls. So it's just a bit of a weird connection, and it's also way too broad. So I only knew that he was offering social media growth based off his profile. The message doesn't convey that. So if we were to rewrite this, I would go, hey, Michael. Then I would do a personalized line. I find personalized lines always do great with Twitter. If you want to segment it, you could also make a personalized line to all agencies. Hey, Michael, love to post on your agency. Hey, first name, personalized line. Quick question for you. If I could save you 5 hours per week by helping, so I'm guessing his pitch is helping you save time with social media management. So I'd say if I could save you 5 hours per week by helping streamline and manage your social media content, would it make sense to talk for 15 minutes? Would it make sense to talk? Reason I ask, I work with similar agency owners and help them not only save time, but increase their followings and thus leads from Twitter. Let me know. So, hey, Michael, personalized line, quick question for you. If I could save you 5 hours per week by helping streamline and manage social media content, it makes sense to talk. So then you could add this part on too. Reason I asked for similar agencies, or you could just cut it right here to question. So this could be version 1 you test, and then version 2, v.2, could just be this. That is what I would do here. All right, lead scraping. This one. Hello, I help agency owners and cold email experts scrape and build lead lists of decision makers like CEOs, founders, and co-founders that you can pitch your offers to. All email leads I provide have been verified and validated or are safe to sign up to no catch-alls, bounce, or invalid emails. I will handle the lead scraping for you, and you can choose to focus on creating offers, running the cold email campaigns, and closing the clients. I'll provide a lead list for your campaigns to run on autopilot. Is this something you may be interested in? That is a mouthful. This isn't actually bad. It's just so much in one. So the main thing is just massive chunky block. That was hard to read through. right away, like hello, that's okay, but ideally you'd use my name like Michael or hello Michael. I help agency owners and cold email experts. Like that's pretty good. That's pretty good segmentation. At least he knows who I am. Um, is this something to be interested in? It's a pretty good call to action. But like you can make this so much better just by a little bit more segmentation. So if we took this and just said Michael, um, we could do like a basic intro. Michael, really impressed with your knowledge on growing agencies. This could work for like anybody on Twitter if a personal brand with like agencies. So we had been, reaching out as I help cold email experts and agency owners like you build lead lists of decision makers that you can pitch. All contacts are verified, validated, and catch-all / bounce. Are verified and validated. I feel like if they're verified and validated, that means there is no bouncing. So I think that's just, you can shorten it here. About verified and validated, so there'll be no deliverability issues. Okay, I feel like you can cut this part out. And maybe for call to action, you could say like, could I send over a quick sample? We could say like, if you could let me know your #1 target currently, I'll send over a sample. Let me know if you'd be interested. There we go. So Michael, really impressed with your knowledge on growing agencies, reaching out as I help cold email experts and agency owners like yourself, I think that's better when you like yourself, build lead lists of decision makers that you can pitch. All contacts are verified and validated, so there will be no deliverability issues. If you could let me know your #1 target currently, I sent our sample. Let me know if you're interested. Cool. Main thing was just get rid of a chunk. It wasn't even that bad. Just getting rid of a chunk helped a lot. All right, moving on to the next one, marketplace. This one I loved. Hey, Michael, good news for the name. I'm building a private community for those who build and sell websites. Could this be a good fit? You're either qualified or you're unqualified by science. Fantastic. Could this be a good fit? Good call to action. You can't really do much better in this one. I wouldn't change anything. I really like this. It's simple, but it got to the point. I know exactly what it's messaged me. I don't build and sell websites. Maybe I'll sell another business one day, but not websites particularly. So it didn't make sense for me, but great message. Social media prospecting. This one started out with, yo, just curious if you're using Instagram for outreach. As of now, if not, I would love to share the exact blueprint we follow when reaching out to businesses using Instagram to generate 10 to 15 new audits for our clients. Is this something you're interested in? Yo, I just don't like using yo. Like if someone is more professional, it's be a turnoff. Like even me, I'm not really interested. Just use hey or hi, or just completely remove it. Just curious to know, or Michael, just curious to know. This is a good entry question. Like curious to know if using Instagram outreach as of now. Cool, looks good. I would not change anything there. If not, I'll share exact blueprint we follow when reaching out to business owners using Instagram to generate 10 to 15 Loom audits for our clients. First thing is what is a Loom audit? I know what it is, but what if someone did it? So it should be better framed as we generate 10 to 15. We'll rewrite this. We'll get to it. And also what time frame? 10 to 15 a year, a month, a day? I'm curious to know. Is this something I'm interested in? Good call to action. No change there. So we can change this and say first name. Just curious to know if you are utilizing Instagram for outreach currently. As of now, currently same thing. If not, I would love to share the exact blueprint we're using to get I would actually use a case study here. So like we're using to get, let's just say case study, 10 to 15 people requesting a video audit about his services every single month. A video audit about his services every single month. So I just be like case study names, like done for you meetings. Then we could just say, is this something to be interested in? And boom, like, specific time frame, case study added, cleaned up first name. It wasn't a bad message, just needed a little bit of tweaking. So there you have it. We went through 4 DMs I've gotten. We went ahead and gave them some feedback. If you do want to see like how I actually use Twitter DMs, I have a video on my profile. You can search Twitter DMs, or maybe it'll be linked here, and you'll be able to find it. If you want extra help on how to do prospecting, we have a great free training at b2boutbound.io. I always link that down below. And as always, if you like the video, a like and comment is really appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.